Guneet, straight. So you brought the Oscars to India for The Elephant Whisperers, and the kind of response skill has brought globally. Would you like history to kill it again?
Absolutely. See, this is a genre film, so this comes in the league of Raid and Old Boy and Train to Busan. I'm only building a huge list, but that was the ambition. So एक genre film यहाँ पर ऐसे कभी हुई नहीं है. So we do action and we do so many things, but like Karan said, that this is an art. To hold people for that long in a cinema, on a journey. So. The ambition of this is a worldwide release, a worldwide box office release. We can never plan awards. We can never plan the final result. Abhi hame nahi pata. Abhi we are in front of you releasing our trailer. But आगे जो लिखा, हमारा काम मेहनत करने का है. रहमत का काम किसी और के हाथ पर है. तो वो ऑस्कर रहमत ही था. बस पूरी शिद्दत से मेहनत करते हैं और करते रहते हैं. आई एम एक्चुअली Achin and I both at Sikhya are very, very, very grateful to Apurva and Karan from Dharma because this is a vision to buy in. Action is not like it's not drama. It's a big budget. It's high stakes. So to be on this journey, to have like this incredible support. And then to go to Toronto and then to, to do what we did and then to land a Lionsgate deal. This is the first Indian film to have this journey. We have around 25 distributors around the world. So we've sold Azerbaijan to Japan to Australia to every little territory. So this is the first time that something like this is happening about an all-Indian film. Even Lunchbox was a co-production with the West. It happened a little bit at Lunchbox, but here it is, being treated as like a 10x of that. So we're very, very excited with what comes ahead of us globally. हर टेरिटरी में अलग अलग डेट पे रिलीज़ हो रहा है. हर टेरिटरी के अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस होगा, उनके रिव्यूज़ होंगे, उनके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स वहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग्स चल रही हैं, वहाँ पे आज ट्रेलर लॉन्च एट द सेम टाइम हो रहा है. LA and this. Even when you see our trailers, there is a trailer on Dharma Productions YouTube and then there is a trailer on Lionsgate YouTube. And that is quite a feat for us. So there is the same जो our anchor said that कि आपका हमारा जो teaser आया था आपका बहुत मंगलमय रहे. The same thing is in English in the Lionsgate YouTube channel if you see. So each version has, so this is the first time one is doing this with a film with a new cast and because the hero of this film is what everybody's been able to do together. So it's really, on to you guys now.
Hi Karan, this question is for Nikhil and Karan. Here. Can you guys see me? Nikhil and Karan, both of you, what did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because we have so many actors today. What was that one thing that you were convinced that he is the one for Kill?
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, and done like literally a 5-minute narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I've just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers where there was Ayan Mukherjee, or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We've introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately, like in 2 minutes, I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. I hadn't seen anything. I literally saw that 2.5-minute audition. And on that 2.5-minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. And I remember feeling that instinct when I even auditioned Alia. It was literally when we auditioned her in 2011, when we were casting for Student of the Year. Again, I met her. It was a meeting. In 2 minutes, I knew I'm going to cast her in Student of the Year. That audition was just a formality because I'd already spent time chatting with her. I hadn't met Laksh. And literally, we shot her that evening, and it was the same thing. It was just from your heart, there comes an inner voice that tells you, yes, this is it. And that's exactly what happened with Laksh.